We start with daily chart. Just I want to give you a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy. And as we can see, the price broke the previous low. And if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. And beside that, I was keep highlighting, we can expect the price even drop to 46. And this is what we get. By the way, from now, we're looking for a reversal. If you get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it as a long term. And based on daily chart, as a long term, we can look for 1.64, following by 1.95 as a target. By the way, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup yet. And in this case, we move to lower time frame. And even based on forward chart, as we can see, we see the reversal. To look for the next trade, we have to wait for the correction and trade setup, because simply we can put this one in relative to any of this for the next drop. Simply we cannot take the trade. If we get a deeper correction, then from there we can look for the next trade. That means we have to wait for the trade setup, and we cannot simply take the trade. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, the way is reversing is very corrective. And for those traders, they take the trade for buy from here. It was a good trade setup. They move their stop loss to break even or book some profit if they want to keep the trade. By the way, at this point, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top. All right, to look for the next trade, either we have to wait for sharp move flying by flag before we take the next trade after the breakout of the previous top, or we wait for the deeper correction. Simply, we cannot take the trade, because if the price continues a corrective, the possibility for the next drop is very high. And if anyone wants to look for sell, they have to wait for the price drop sharply flying by flag, then they can look for sell. This is as an example, and a sell is a short term. We are not really interested to look for sell, we're looking for buy. This is as an example. Anyway, we just follow the chart. At this point, we don't have any trade setup, and if I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.